Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you 3 ways how to charge your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, let's start with the basics. That's the original cable which comes with the phone. As you can see, this is a 2-side Type-C cable. So, we need to plug one side into our phone and the second one to the PC or power adapter, which doesn't come with the device. And make sure that the power adapter has Type-C input. Now let's try to put our phone on a charge. Firstly, we plug one side to our phone and the second one to the PC or power adapter. And if you are using power adapter, now you need to plug it into source of power. After this, you'd be able to feel a vibration, and right here on the bottom of the screen you can see information about the charging. Charging rapidly, and it will be fully charged in 1 hour and 40 minutes. By the way, this way is the fastest way to charge your phone, because to charge your phone on 25% takes only 14 minutes, to 50% 32 minutes, and to 75 44 minutes, and to 100% aka fully charged in 100 minutes. Sounds impressive, right? Now to the second way. The second way to charge this phone is wireless charger. I have one right here, and let's try to put our phone on a charge. Now you was able to see this animation, and also on the bottom of your phone you can see that your phone is charging wirelessly. Unfortunately, it doesn't show info how long until it will be fully charged, but this is still cool. Now to the last way to charge this Google Pixel 8a. So the third way how to charge this phone is named wireless power sharing. Most of the Android phone latest generation have this function, which is named wireless power sharing, when one phone can share power with the second one. Let me show you how to do it. Open settings on the phone, which is gonna share the power, and scroll down until you'll find device care. Click on it and click on battery. After this, scroll down until you'll find this wireless power sharing. Click on it and turn it on. Right here you can see the animation how to share the power right. So we need to turn our phone like this and put the second phone on the center of the back side of the phone. If the phone didn't start charging, try to move it a little bit. And that's it. Now our second phone is charging, and it says it's charging wirelessly. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.